Guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. So in today's video, we are going to share your updates regarding the Layer H CLI. So Layer H CLI has been started like right today, some hours ago. So together, I'm going to like show you how to go and buy that CLI and link it with your Layer H website. So let's go together. So as you can see here is a list of like CLI like they have. We have like at the top one, which is Layer H, and the second one, which is Nova, which like they have already sold it out, as you can see. So Layer H is like it's going now, and again Vive network it is like going right now. It is not over. So before you go directly into our video, so if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go and make our Layer H testnet. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end so that you may not miss any update regarding this Layer H testnet CLI node.